Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're bringing you an exclusive on-site update straight from Camp Nou, diving into the latest construction progress at the heart of FC Barcelona's stadium. From the trenches to the highest vantage points, we've got it all covered. Get ready for a detailed walkthrough of what's happening in this historic phase. Today, we're focusing on the labyrinth area between the traversa, the C-section, and the maternity zone. Freshly poured concrete is setting perfectly in several sections, and workers are wrapping up smaller patches to complete this phase. The scale of the project is impressive. Every beam, slab, and reinforcement is coming together beautifully, giving us a clear sense of the stadium's future form. Watching the machinery in action is a spectacle on its own. The third tier is moving along at full speed. Steel brackets and supports are being placed with exacting precision. This week, we've seen significant acceleration and progress, ensuring that this tier will be ready for the next construction milestones. Prefabricated sections and steel reinforcements are being carefully aligned and installed, preparing the way for the stadium's future seating and structural support. In the lateral sections, superpillars are rising, some already with formwork and freshly poured concrete at their bases. The rhythm of construction has picked up, allowing multiple zones to progress simultaneously. Workers are finishing up the Ferraya, the internal steel skeleton, ensuring that all structural elements are correctly positioned. A historic milestone, the first ceramic panels of the stadium are being installed. Each panel is meticulously coated and placed at precise points, ensuring long-term stability and perfect alignment. These panels will add the signature color and character to Camp Nou, and seeing the first ones go up marks a moment we've all been eagerly anticipating. The parking level and forjados are almost complete, crucial for securing the stadium's first occupancy permissions. Workers are finishing the remaining patches, Ferraya placements, and structural details, preparing this level to support future events and match days efficiently. At Gol Norte, the third excavation remains under observation. Preparatory work and minor machinery activity hint at future developments. Meanwhile, platforms, supports, and superpillar bases are steadily progressing, ensuring all upper structures will be secure and ready. The diamond-shaped structure, designated for the future store, is advancing steadily. Aluminum frames are being installed, ready for large glass panels to be fitted. This central feature is critical for the stadium's overall aesthetic and will define a prominent part of the project in the coming weeks. That's it for today's Camp Nou update. We've witnessed historic progress with ceramic panels, structural completions, and more. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe with notifications on to follow every step of this incredible journey. Camp Nou is coming to life right before our eyes, and we'll be here covering every phase. Vis Barça.